Good morning, everybody. So now, as we know, in last class, I think presently we are studying writing IUPAC nomenclature for branched chain saturated hydrocarbons and as well as straight chain saturated hydrocarbons. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
if it comes to here, in our today's class, we are going to study the remaining one. That is what naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bonds and as well as naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a triple bond. Is it okay, guys? Yes. So now,
Yes, sir.
first of
Yes, sir.
all of you keep heading unsaturated hydrocarbons. Sorry, naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double bond. So just I want to open again that Word document. So as we know, you people tell me. So double bond means, so first of all, you have to tell me double bond means in the sense of what they are. Alkanes or alkenes?
Alkenes.
So that is what you have to
Alkenes, sir.
remember.
Alkenes.
Yes. So first of all, everybody should remember. So as we already studied that whenever you are getting double bond means in the sense of what will indicate? It will indicate alkenes. So that is what we will see today. So as I said, naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons. That is also what? Double bond. So now, double bond means in the sense of what will come, guys? Alkanes. Alkanes, we have to remove what? We have to remove ene and we have to add what, guys? We have to add ene so that we is to get the compounds. Alkenes. So now alkenes will start from where anybody can say. It will start from meth or eth. Alkenes.
Eth.
Eth. So there is no meth. The minimum number of carbons, how many? Minimum carbons. Minimum carbons are 2. So it will start from ethyl. So now what is the basic structure of double bond? Anybody can say? So if we'll draw 2 carbons and if we'll say like this is what we can say what? The basic structure of alkenes. Yes or no? So now
Yes, sir.
see the structure of the compound and as well as naming of IUPAC name of the compound. So now, what is the first compound? What is the general formula of saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons of double bond? Anybody? Unsaturated hydrocarbons, double bond. Nobody will answer. Cyclic knot, normal. Alkenes. What is the general formula of alkenes? I am asking.
CN.
CN. That's all. So now as we know, N is equals to what? N is equals to 2. So now C2H2 into 2, which is equals to what, guys? First formula, C2H4. So now let us see what is this C2H4. So now all of you keep hitting naming of C2H2. Sorry, C2H4. Naming of C2H4. So already we people know C2H4 is called as what? Ethene. What we used to call? Ethene. Yes or no?
Ethene.
Now, observe what is the structure of this one. So we can take it is alkenes, correct? So C double bond C and 2 C's are over. Here hydrogen, here also hydrogen, and here also hydrogen, and here also hydrogen. Is it yes? Ashika, are you understanding,
Yes,
Ashika?
sir.
Yes or no? So now
Yes, sir.
the IUPAC name, if you take IUPAC name, so as we know, what we have to do? IUPAC name, eth plus eth plus en, we used to get what, guys? What is the name? Ethene. Understand?
Ethane.
Yes, ethene. So now if we'll take common name, the common name of this one is ethylene. What is that, guys?
Ethylene.
ETHYLENE. So here also see, it is ends with what? It is ends with what?
In.
Yeah, that is what it is, everybody. So now what is the condensed formula? Anybody can say? What is the condensed formula?
CH2, CH2. CH2 double bond, CH2.
CH2. Clear? This is what the condensed formula. All of you write it. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, next one. So now as we know, C equals to 2, N equals to 2 over. Next what will come? N equals to 3.
3.
So now N equals to 3, you will come with so as we know, C3, N, sorry what? C3H2N.
H.
So CnH2n. So 2 into 3, which is equals to C3H.
36.
Others also respond and call your friends option days. So C3H6. So now if you observe C3H6, how it will come, everybody? So always you have to remember C. So some place it should get what? Double bond. Is it yes or no, guys? Hydrocarbons.
Yes, sir.
Now, always all of you should remember the first carbon, the firstmost carbon from the right side, it should get double bond. Are you clear what I'm saying? From the
Yes,
first
sir.
carbon, always should get what? Double bond. From the
Double
right
bond.
side, always remember from where? From right side. So now we have a totally how many carbons, guys? How many carbons?
3 carbons.
3 carbons.
3 carbons, sir.
From the right side, wherever you have kept it till now, you have to remember always double bond should get from the right side. So now, so right side means where it will come? Here it will come. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this is what it is, double bond. So now you people respond and tell me what happened to this. It's okay. So now you can see this is what it will become, what? Double bond. So now number of carbons, number of hydrogens, how it will come? So here how many will come?
Sir.
2 hydrogens and here 3 already there. So 1 hydrogen and remaining how many? Here 3 hydrogens. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the UPAC name? Can anybody say?
Propene.
Anybody can say?
Propene, sir. Propene.
Propane. Yes or no? So now
Yes, sir.
all of you right. So UPAC name, if you take, what will come? Propene, which will come what, guys? Propene. Propene. PROPENE, propane. What is the condensed formula? Anybody can say what is the condensed formula?
CH3, CH3, CH2. Double
CH,
bond.
double bond.
CH2.
Are you able to
CH2.
answer, everyone? Others also please respond. You have to try to answer every time. Sutir, or understand Sutir? Pranav, call to Arya and Dina. Dina, are you there? That is. So now what is the common name of this one? Can anybody guess the common name? Common name. Like before you can guess it.
N-propene.
Methyl
N-
ethylene. Understanding? Propylene, we can say. It is called as what?
Propylene.
Propylene, we can say. Or we can say it is a methyl group. One methyl group is present. As you noticed it. It is having one methyl group. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, branch. So CH3 will be their methyl group. So it is called as methyl ethylene. What we should call?
Methyl ethylene.
Methyl ethylene.
Sir, if it is branched only, no, so we can call like this.
Yes. But it is also you can remove if you consider this one. It is having what it is looks like ethylene, correct? Ethene, correct? That is the risk. Okay. Next one, what will come? At least write next one. At least later we can understand. So now what is the next one?
C4H.
Yes,
is equal to 4, sir.
n is equals to 4. So n is equals to
4.
it will come what? So C4
C4
2 into 4, which is equals to
8,
what?
sir.
C4H8. So C4H8. So as I said again, what? How many carbons are there? You have to speak. 4
4
carbons.
carbons.
So double bond should come where? Where I said?
At last.
Right
From the
side.
right last.
So now what is the structure? Fastly tell me. H,
Sir, C
and here how many? 3 bonds are there. So single H, and here
CH3,
double bond.
CH2, CH,
Yes.
CH2.
Now you can write what is the condensed formula? Condensed formula.
CH3,
3
single bond, CH2,
single bond,
Single bond.
double bond,
double bond,
CH,
CH2.
double bond,
Okay,
CH2.
guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now if you take here this one, you can take, then what is the IUPAC name, guys? You can take IUPAC at least minimum 5 you have to learn.
Butene.
IUPAC
Butene.
name you can take, but
Butene.
understanding. So which is equals to butene. Understanding. Now common name also you can understand. What is the common name?
Butylene.
Butylene. That's all. Understand? Butylene. Butylene. That's clear, guys. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Write it. Same way next. Last one. Till right there. Next, what is the last one?
C5H. N equal to 5.
Yeah. What is the next one, Aishwarya?
N equal to 5, sir. C5H10.
Yeah.
Pentane, sir.
So N is equals to 5. Last one. So pentene. So as we know, C is equals to what? 5. So sorry, N is equals to 5. So C5H2 into 5, which is equals to C5H10. Is it okay? So that is what it is. So now how many carbons? 5 carbons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last carbon should get what? Always.
Double bond,
Double bond.
Double bond.
Say the structure. H. So here what will come? H here. H.
CH3,
Yes.
single bond, CH2, single CH2,
Double bond,
single
Yes.
bond,
So
CH,
now condensed
double
formula
bond,
will come.
CH2.
CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH double bond,
Double bond.
CH2. Is it clear? Yes or no,
sir.
Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Nitesh? Are you understand? So okay. So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
free. So you can write IUPAC name. So what is IUPAC name? IUPAC name is equals to what?
Pentene.
Pent plus
Pentene.
pent plus ene. So what will come? Pentene. So pentene. So now you can say, what is the common name? What is the common name?
Pentylene.
Yeah.
Pentylene also.
Understand? What is the common name? Pentylene you can say.
Pentylene.
That is. Please write. Clear? So later that it is okay. No issues. You can remember from there. Okay, guys. Now, after this, what will happen? Naming of double bond over. What is the next concept we are going to study? Naming of,
Double bond.
yes. Naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing what bond?
Double bond.
Yeah, containing a triple bond.
Triple bond.
So now, so as we know, triple bond means what they are called as, guys?
Alkyls.
Yes, alkyls.
Alkyls.
So now,
Alkyls.
alkyls you will name it. So what we have to remove? So again we can remove. So from where? Alkenes, yes or no? Not alkenes. So alkenes,
Yes,
if you
sir.
remove what? If you remove E and
E
E,
and E.
and if you add
It will be
Y
Y
and
and
E, then they will turn into alkynes. Yes or no, guys?
Alkynes.
This is what the formula of alkynes. So now alkynes also will start from where? There is no meth. Again, alkynes also carbon number starts from where, guys?
2.
Carbon number starts from 2. So now, what is the general formula of alkyne? Alkyl group, anybody?
C2 CnH2
CnH2n minus 2.
CnH2n minus 2.
minus
Understand?
2.
So general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Remember, unsaturated means double bond and single bond, double bond and triple bond. Saturated means what? Saturated means single bond. That is what the first thing you have to remember it, all of you. So now we'll proceed with the what? Next one, that is only called as what? Third. So this is third type of one. So that is what? A triple bond. So now triple bond also, N is equals to start from where? N is equals to starts from 2 only. So now if you substitute C is equals to 2, 2 into 2 minus 2, which is equals to how much, guys? C2H4 minus 2, which is equals to C2H.
C2H2.
Yes, this is what the first compound. So now, if you notice it, then how we can draw? Minimum how many bonds, guys? Triple bond.
Sir, only one bond,
Yeah.
sir.
So triple bond will be there between them. So how many hydrogens are remaining? 2 hydrogens are remaining. Clear, everybody?
CH triple
Yes,
bond CH.
Akshaya, Arya. That is. So now if you'll see, this is what? So what is the condensed formula, guys?
CH
What is the
triple
condensed
bond
formula?
CH.
Yeah.
Triple bond CH.
CH triple bond CH is the condensed formula. So now if you'll take now IUPAC name. So IUPAC name, what is IUPAC name? As we know, eth plus
Eth-
in. Understanding? Eth plus in. So what is it indicating, guys?
Ethyne.
Ethane. Ethyne. Understand? So now if you take a common name, which is equals to acetylene. What is that?
Acetylene.
Yeah. So till here, everybody do it and inform your friends also. So what is the common name of ethyl? Acetylene.
Acetylene.
Yeah. Yes. Harini, I understand, Harini. Namati. Right. Next, what will come down? You wait, you wait, Padmavati.
NS3.
Yeah. Jesse, are you there? Nitinath, what is happening? We have become very silent. Now you can write. So what is the next one, guys? N is equals to?
C3H4.
So N is equals to 3. It will take. So C3 H.
H4.
Yes, yes.
Sir, for a triple bond also, if carbon is more than
Last.
3, we need to write triple bond at the last carbon.
At last only, always remember, at right side last only. So C3 H6 minus 2. What will come, guys? Respond.
C3H4.
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 So C3H4. So now, how to write it? First, what we have to do? We have to keep?
CH3.
Yes. We have to keep 3 triple bonds. First, keep single 3 carbons. So now,
Sir,
one carbon should get what?
CH3CH.
Yes. So triple bond. Clear?
CH3CH.
So now if you'll observe, so as we know, this already is triple bond. So now how many hydrogens will come? 1 hydrogen will come. So now here you can check it, this carbon. Wait, Riva. So this carbon, Arya,
already have
Arya, this
4
carbon,
bonds,
any
sir.
hydrogen will come, Arya? This
No,
hydrogen
sir.
carbon?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because already this side 3 and this side 1. So no hydrogen will come. So this carbon, how many will come? 3 hydrogens will come.
One,
That
three,
is
yeah.
what.
hydrogen.
So now totally 4.
CH3C
So
triple
now,
bond C.
what is the
Single
condensed
bond
formula?
Single bond.
CH3 single bond, C
Single
triple
bond,
bond.
C triple bond CH.
Very good. That is what it is. So don't be silent. Please try to answer. Then only you will get it. So now, you will go to the IUPAC name. So what is the IUPAC name, guys? So IUPAC name prop
Propine.
plus Pro plus wine. Pro plus wine, which will equals to what? Propine.
Propine.
Are you able to draw or simply listening and wasting time? So now you can see this is what. So now you can go it. So what is the common name of this propine is methyl acetylene. What is that?
Methyl acetylene.
Methyl acetylene.
So this and all we need to memorize only, sir.
Yes, common name we have to memorize. We cannot do anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Methyl acetylene. Clear? That is what it is. So now, that is next we'll go with the n is equals to what? N is equals to 4. So what is the formula will come? You wait, I will ask somebody's. So Sutir, can you say what is the formula? Tarani, what is the formula? N is equals to 4. C4H6. Clear? So now C4H6 if will take. So how many carbons will come? 4 carbons we have to keep it. So now at last carbon what we is to get, guys?
Triple bond, sir.
Triple bond, correct? So now,
Yes, sir.
yes, please all of you remember for butane alone, if you'll observe the structure, the butane alone, if you'll observe the structure, I am not saying it is coming always triple bond at last, based upon the structure only. The butene, understand? So the butane structure alone, the triple bond is present for the second carbon and the third carbon. Second carbon and third carbon. Are you understand? So that is what you have to remember. So now based upon this, can anybody say now hydrogens? Please fastly. Hydrogens, where it will come? So 3 hydrogens. Yeah.
Single bonds.
Here already have you noticed it? 4 bonds over, 4 bonds over. So last 4 bonds will come. Ashika, you understand this? Ashika, Bhumika, are you there? So this is what we can say. So now we can get what is the formula? CH3, C triple bond,
C.
single bond, CH3. So this is what the condensed formula of butane. Clear, everybody?
Sir, why,
So this-
sir, it is
the structure is showing, that is, if you'll observe the structure, Amarpa structure, the structure is butane is like that. So that is what we have to understand.
okay, sir.
That is why I am always say, based upon the structure only it is. So now, have you noticed it? It is the triple bond for what carbon, guys? Till now, everything first carbon only. Now I will ask Sriya.
Yes.
Nitish, anybody can say. Now here, if you notice it, till now, the triple bond or double bond for first carbon. So that is why we not mentioned anything. Simply we are writing pro plus wine. Understand? So and we are writing here also eth plus wine. But here the triple bond is coming for what, guys? Second carbon and third carbon.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Second carbon and the third carbon. Yes or no? So that is why
Yes, sir.
this is called as 2-butane. What we used to call?
Tubulin.
2-butane. Understanding? IUPAC name, which is equals to 2-but plus wine. What we used to get, guys? 2-butane. Clear? So now,
Common name, sir.
yes, the common name is dimethyl acetylene. I think Varshini is not there in meeting.
Sir, I'm there.
You are there? It's okay. So dimethyl acetylene. Please write it. This is what the structure. So whenever you are getting the structure, you must be able to answer everything fastly. That is what I will always will say. So according to that only you have to prepare it. This all are what? Straight chain only we are continuing. Straight chain and branched chain of what, guys? Only saturated and
Sir, for lean and nine branched chain is there also.
Yin and wine branched chains. Branched chains will next will come. We'll see. By the time I will say. Okay, how to remove it. Okay. So now you proceed with this. Clear, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, next, last one for this. N is equals to what will come? N is equals to 5. So N is equals to 5 means what is the formula? C5
C by H.
H. So now again you can draw the structure. So you draw, everybody. You don't say, you draw. I will draw and you people will draw. Before me you try to draw. So now last carbon will get triple bond. So now you will get triple bond means here how many hydrogens, Nitish? Here only one.
Only
hydrogen.
one, sir.
That is, you draw, all of you draw. Pranav, have you completed Pranav? Call to Dina. Jesse, are you understand Jesse? Humaira?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, draw now. Make it fast. Aishwarya, you
CH3
also have a
single
completed?
bond CH2 single bond CH2
Yes, okay. So now
Single
here
bond, C.
triple bond will come. So now that is what you have to draw always. If you draw only, it will come. If not, it is not an easy thing. So that is. So this already 4 bonds are filled. So what is the condensed formula? CH3 single bond.
single bond
CH2
single bond
single bond,
single bond
C
C
triple bond,
triple bond CH.
Yes, C triple bond, sorry, CH2 single bond, CH2, C single bond, C triple bond, CH. Is it yes or no?
CH2.
That is.
Yes, sir.
No.
CH.
Yes. So now you can proceed. So we can write IUPAC name. So IUPAC name, what will come? Pent. Pent plus wine. So is to get what, guys?
Pentane.
Pentane. That is pentane. So now common name is propyl acetylene. What is the common name?
Propyl acetylene.
Yeah. PROPY. Propyl acetylene. So this is what it is. Naming of saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll proceed from here. That is what we are going to study. The next one is called as isomers. What is the next one called as, guys?
Isomers.
Isomers. So isomers, there is no common thing, but we have to study till minimum. So that isomers, I will say. So let us go with isomers now. So very simple things and all I will say. So what do you mean by isomers? Can anybody say? You people already studied correct already. I told you in the last offline class also. So what do you mean
Same
by
chemical properties.
name
Different
and same
physical
Yeah.
properties.
Different
Structures are different.
same chemical formula, but different physical
Different
structure.
Different
Structure.
structure.
Only called as isomers.
Isomers.
So
Isomer.
that is what we can say. So now, if we'll take here this isomerism, that phenomena is called as isomerism. What we should call? The phenomena is called as
Isomerism.
isomerism. So please keep
Isomerization.
reading. So yeah, that process is called as that isomerization, and the phenomena is called as isomerism, and the structures are called as isomers.
Isomers.
That is. So please all of you keep reading isomerism. First listen. So we have to follow some conditions, guys, and we have to learn till at least carbon N is equals to 10. So that is what I'm saying. So isomerism, I will say some shortcut also. So be careful, one question surely will come here. Draw the isomers of something, some compound they will ask you. Mainly straight chain and branched chains of alkanes only. Alkenes and alkynes is not that much important, but alkanes is always important. Is it okay, guys? Alkanes is always important, clear? But alkenes and alkynes also with 1 or 2 examples I will say for our today's class. So listen everybody carefully, okay? How to name it. Is it okay, yaar? Everybody, Nitinath, Pranav, call to Dina, Arya, now you listen. So now isomerism. What do you mean by isomerism, guys? So organic compounds have same chemical formula, but different structure and properties. That is what we can say isomerism. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes. That is so. A phenomena in which 2 different compounds having different structures and properties, and they can represented by a what? They can represented by a single chemical
Same
formula.
chemical name.
Yes, same chemical name. That is only called as isomerism. So please all of you keep right definition. The organic compounds having same chemical formula same chemical formula, but different what guys? But
Structures
different
and properties.
structures and properties. Different structures and properties. Now, before going to entering into the concept, guys, now for alkanes alone, so please all of you keep it in isomerism in alkenes. What is that? First one, first subdivision. So isomerism in alkenes. Isomerism in alkanes. So this is only most important, guys, for class 10th level. Definitely one question surely will come from this. Draw the isomers of butane. Draw the isomers of pentane. Draw all the isomers of heptane, like that they will ask you. Shall we proceed now, guys? Harini, Aishwarya? Yes, Jesse?
Yes, sir.
That is. Now, before going to say into the isomerism in alkanes. So as we know, in alkanes, the isomerism starts from where, guys? I already said you, before also I said, isomerism, if you want to form the isomers, how many minimum number of carbons? Anybody out of you all?
2.
No, wrong.
4, sir. 4.
Somebody saying 4, who is that?
Tarni, sir.
Tarani, very good, Tarani. Yes, very good. So the minimum number of carbons. Sriya, are you understanding, Sriya? Prasan is not there. Now you can see here, isomers, if you want to form the isomers in alkanes, understanding. Anyhow, the isomers always in alkanes starts from where, guys? It will start from 4 only. So kindly remember, whatever it is, alkenes or alkanes or alkynes, whatever it is, number of, if you want to form the isomerism, so number of carbons are how many, guys? It will start from 4 carbons only. Please remember. So isomers will start from 4 carbons onwards. What is that? 4 carbons onwards. So yes. Carbons. So we can say carbon is equals to 1, carbon is equals to 2, and carbon is equals to 3. These all are having how many isomers? Only one isomer, single structure. Understanding? So no isomers is present. Single structure is present for them. Is it okay, guys? Please respond. Single structure. Any doubt?
Yes, no doubt, sir.
Yeah. So only hydrocarbons having 4 or more carbon atoms only it will form isomers. Clear, everyone? Varshini? That is what you have to remember. This is the most important one. So isomerism in alkanes, only it will start from where? 4 carbons upwards. That is what you have to remember. So 4 carbons and above only it will start. So now you can see starts with the butane. So everybody can say the butane formula. Krutiga, Arun Karthikeyan.
C4H10.
Yes, it's very good, Taran. Karthikeyan, are you there in meeting? I think not there. Chimera, okay. So butane. So let me take butane now. So what is the butane formula? Please respond.
C4H10, sir.
H10, correct? So next, pentane. Till let me take 10 work. Okay, pentane. So pentane formula C5.
C5H12.
Pentane, hexane. Hexane, what is the formula?
C6H14.
C6H14. Next, C7H16.
C7H18.
Understand?
C8H18.
Yes. Next one, C9H20 and C10H22. Now, listen, guys. Here we will follow one formula. So there is no common general formula till now. Understand? So only we have to follow till n is equals to 7 alone. We have one formula. So maximum for you people, they will never go behind 7 and behind 10. So maximum till 10, everybody should learn. Is it okay, guys? So now I will say you 2 methods of learning. First, I will say before first 3. For first 3, what? CH4 and C2H6 are. Yes, C2H6 and C3H8. So till here, what is the number of isomers? Number of isomers are 1. Is it okay, guys?
1.
Number of isomers are 1 because single structure. So no other isomers will form. Clear, everybody? Now, if it comes to the butane, the number of isomers are 2. What is the number of isomers?
2.
If it comes to the pentane, number of isomers are 3. Hexane, number of isomers are 5. Heptane, number of isomers are 9, and octane number of isomers are 18, and understanding, nano number of isomers are 35, and deca number of isomers are 75.